gave me a bid to remodel 2 bathrooms. They started out as very builder basic with oak cabinets and just regular boring mirrors. I had a tub shower combination. Horizon and David Eskin worked on both bathrooms, and I was looking for a spa-like feeling. I wanted to take out the tub and just have a walk-in shower, so I didn't have a door installed. And then the luxury item is that I wanted the floors to be heated in the master bathroom. I selected the vanity that Horizon provided with the drawers on the bottom, and also with a tile backsplash.
It's perfect. It looks so beautiful. Let me show you the floors that going all the way. Those are the heated floors. Go all the way to the shower, no step. It's nice. And a bench. And 2 shampoo shelves. And look at this frame. Picture frame.